So what's happening with NFTs? The answer is NFTs are dead. What I mean by dead is that this is the lowest point right now that the NFTs will be in. And I could be wrong by few weeks or few months, but this is my honest opinion. I think the NFTs cannot go any lower because 99% of projects have already went to zero, and I don't think there is any selling pressure left because Bitcoin is bouncing back from the 55,000 lows, and I think Bitcoin will not go even lower than that. It will go only higher. And I want to explain why I am super bullish on NFTs, and the reason is this. First of all, I made most of my gains in NFTs in 2021, and why I am bullish is because when you talk about huge brands like Nike, Adidas, Coca-Cola, Marvel, Superman, Batman, all of this stuff, you have to understand that these brands, they are not messing with tokens and with coins. They are not doing meme coins. They are not doing some Batman airdrops, Batman coins or Spider-Man coins. The only way brands can utilize the crypto technology, the blockchain technology, is NFTs. And I understand you might think that ICOs were the big thing in 2017 and ICOs didn't come back, and they will most likely never come back. But the NFTs, that's a totally different story, and there is zero reasons why NFTs should go away completely. I agree that this is the lowest point and the NFTs right now are dead. That's why, in my opinion, this is the biggest opportunity in crypto, because no one is as bearish on any other thing in crypto than on NFTs. And I know many huge investors in VEVE are thinking about selling in the all-time lows right now. And if you're asking me right now if you should sell, my advice, and this is not a financial advice, this is just my opinion, is that you should not sell your NFTs, especially if you have big brand NFTs. And if you have done a proper research, you will understand that many huge brands are actually utilizing NFTs as we speak. And if you are talking about big brand NFTs like Universal Music, Nike, Adidas, VEVE Collectibles, I basically made most of my biggest gains in VEVE because I was one of the first 1,000 users in the VEVE app. And the way people will make gains in the upcoming 2025 crypto bull run, where NFTs will be one of the biggest ecosystem in the crypto again. The way you will make the most money is researching big brand projects like Nike, Adidas, Universal Music, Kingship. I want to shout out Kingship. I think the music NFTs will become a thing in 2025. Also, don't fade the VEVE NFTs. They have the first ever Superman, first ever Batman and Spider-Man as NFTs. And they are talking about interoperability on the VEVE app. I think everything is coming. All the exchanges on VEVE are coming. And I want you to understand when the new crypto year will start, the new bull run, the crypto euphoria in 2025. Like NFTs will come back. They will be 10 times, 50 times, maybe even 100 times bigger than they were in 2021 and 2022. And that's why I created this video. I just wanted to mark the lowest point, which is today, July 18. And NFTs are still the greatest opportunity to get big gains in this crypto space. So if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto, NFT and airdrop alpha, you can follow me on my Patreon channel. I am posting daily alpha on everything that is important in crypto, especially airdrops, NFTs and upcoming crypto projects. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.